Used to secure and anchor shelters, swing sets, gazebos, kennels and more to a variety of surfaces including grass, rocky soil, gravel and asphalt. Made of solid steel with heavy gauge cables. Quick secure for anchoring in almost any soil condition. Easy to drive, pull and secure. Kit includes 4-piece 30-inch EasyHook anchor, 4 cable clamps and driving rod not shown. Top reviews from the United States. Great anchors for a shed, etc. I needed to anchor several little building projects on the end of an exposed ridge. The wind load can be scary. After installing 16 of these EasyHook anchors, I feel much safer. Some thoughts on installation. As mentioned by others, use the driving rod by itself to drill the hole for the anchor. Then, drive the anchor into the hole with the rod. For me, the hardest part was extracting the rod from some wet Virginia clay. A vice grip was essential, plus a pry bar and some wood scraps for a fulcrum. The vice grip created a purchase on the rod so it could be pried out of the ground. I was impressed with the driving rod. There was a rod in each kit, but I only used one rod. It stood up to all the pounding for 16 anchors, remaining straight. The top mushroomed a bit, of course, under a 4lb hammer. Good reason to wear eye protection and gloves. The little plastic caps should be removed from the rod before use. They merely protect potentially sharp edges while in transit. The cable clamps were pre-assembled. That saved time. Simply thread a clamp onto the cable, then bend the cable's bitter end around the object to be secured and back into the clamp. Snug the nuts with a 7/16 drive socket wrench. For some applications, the best approach may be to wrap the cable around an exposed structural element such as a joist. When that's not possible, consider drilling a 3/16 hole as a purchase for the cable. Drill the hole on a slant, 10 to 30 degrees, so water will not collect and rot the wood. Then pound the anchor into the prepared hole until the cable is taut. I liked these well-made anchors, their cables and clamps. Very nice materials in a good design. My neighbor will be using some of these anchors soon.